Welcome, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of email hacking, demystifying the process and uncovering the incredible potential it holds. Whether you're a marketer looking to expand your outreach, a data analyst seeking valuable insights, or just a curious mind eager to explore the intricacies of online data, you're in the right place. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through the art and science of hacking emails, unleashing a wealth of possibilities right at your fingertips. From understanding the ethical considerations to mastering the tools of the trade, we've got you covered. But before we embark on this digital journey, let's address the elephant in the room: the importance of responsible and ethical use of email hacking. As we explore the techniques, it's crucial to keep in mind the significance of privacy and consent. We'll be emphasizing legal and ethical practices throughout this guide, ensuring you harness the power of email hacking responsibly. So, buckle up for an enlightening adventure into the realm of email hacking. By the end of this video, you'll not only grasp the fundamental concepts, but also gain practical insights into implementing these techniques effectively. Ready to unlock the secrets of email hacking? Let's get started.
Hello guys, D-Tech here. In this video, I'll be showing you how to hack emails to help promote your business. So if you're seeing this channel for the first time, please like and subscribe to see more content like this. Without further ado, let's get started. On Chrome browser, you open Google search and type Email Hunter for Chrome extension. So this is the first one here, Email Hunter. You select it and allow to load. So here is it, our Email Hunter. So you add it to your Chrome extension. You can see I already added to my Chrome extension. Next, you type Email Extractor on Google search for Chrome. Select the first one, then you add it to your Chrome extension. Next, on Google search, you type light14.ux. You're allowed to load. So with this tool, we use it to properly arrange our emails, add commas, and extract our emails effectively. So this is it. This is light14.us. So with these tools in place, we'll be moving on to the next phase of hacking or extracting these emails. You extract emails in line with the niche you want to reach out to. So here, select doctors, community, in California. Doctors community in California. Then in quotes you put in at gmail.com, at yahoo.com, or at aol.com. So you make sure this is in quotes. Next, you right click on this link generated here and you open a new tab on any of them. Right click, open a new tab, you allow to load. So here it is. So you go to your Email Hunter and then you see the emails. So what you do here, you just copy the current page, copy, or you cut it out. And then you go to your light14.us to paste it there. Here's an email extractor, you paste it here. Then on the separator, make sure it's on comma and then you extract. Now you see an option for group. So what this means is you can put it in 10s, in 20s, in 100, whatever group you want. If you want it to be arranged in 10s and 20s, you just input the number here. So the email extractor will help you arrange it properly. You select extract after inputting the number you want it to be arranged serially. So you can see it has been properly arranged based on the command I gave to it. So you move on to the next. Move on to the next link. Do the same thing, you right click and open a new tab for it. You allow it to load, and then on your email hunter on the current page, do the same thing there. The current page, these are the emails. Currently I have 119 emails here. You just copy it or you cut it out. You go to your Light 14, our email extractor, and then you paste it there. Paste it here, and then you select extract. Select extract after pasting it. So you can see here, now we currently have 132 emails. It's properly arranged in 20s. So this is basically the technique you use to extract or hack emails. I trust you got value watching this video. To see more content like this, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.